Hi, this is Matt, and we're talking about starting your car with your smartphone. Smartphone remote starters work just like a normal remote starter, but instead of using a remote fob, you're using your iPhone or Android phone. The key benefit to a smartphone remote starter is the range. With solutions like Drone Mobile, you can now start your car and unlock your car doors from very far away, which is great when you're at the mall or the stadium or at the airport. And the best part is that once you already have a Compustar system installed in your vehicle, all you need to do is install the antenna and use the app. Additionally, Drone Mobile will add extra features like GPS tracking, alarm alerts, and maintenance reminders. It's a great way to stay connected to your car. To learn more, download the app and discover what Drone Mobile can do for you.